and you create all your categories that you want to sell at and identify the currency. If you want them online or not online. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you move down to the customer company rates and just create shortcuts for them with an underscore in front and then link the rate towards the shortcut that you've made. And the shortcut we only use for internal staff that wants to make bookings and they want to flick through rates. So if they want to make a residential rate, it will immediately switch over to residential rate. So if I start a booking here, it will start with residential rates. If you want to view the rates, you can go to accommodation. Here you can see it's on your standard rate. But if I go to residential rate, it will flick through to the residential rates that you've generated. Now it will show 0 because you haven't generated rates yet. Okay.
Okay.
Then you go to reservations, all availability. You open up your category. There's all your tents underneath that category. You go to, if you want to see the rates, you can say show rates and it will show on the screen for you. If you want to generate rates, you go to the black button. You select the category that you want to generate for. You select the right category that you want to generate for, and then your from and to dates. Then yours is occupancy based, so rate 1 equals for one person, rate 2 equals if there's 2 people, your first child policy, and your second child policy. Add, and it will generate the rates for you.
Yeah.
And that's how you continue until you have all the rates generated.
Okay.
Now, let's say you've got midweek rates and weekend rates. You can just untick the weekend, generate the rates, come back, untick the midweek, and then do Friday and Saturday's rates together. Okay. So that's how you can also decide on which days am I generating these rates. But I see your rates is quite the same Saturday or Friday during the week as well. Ne?
Okay.
Okay, and that's it. So I'll stop this recording. Let's make it nice and short. And I'll publish it towards YouTube and I'll